Medical technologies and science continue to change lives, breaking into new frontiers. Join us today as we visit with Dr. Apertella and Dr. Santaella, board-certified physicians who are on the cutting edge of diagnosing cancer.
Today we are visiting Fine Needle Aspiration Clinic in Miami, Florida. Here, pathologists, the doctors that diagnose cancers, perform a type of biopsy called fine needle aspiration in their office. A biopsy in general is taking a sample from a suspicious lump or growth and examining it for the presence or absence of cancer. The type of biopsy that is performed in this clinic is called fine needle aspiration. This is a procedure whereby a thin needle is inserted into a suspicious lump right in the office, and cells from the lump are removed for diagnosis.
We insert a needle that the patients usually describe as a pinprick with very little discomfort. We use the ultrasound to guide the needle so that we can go directly into the area to be biopsied, and then we aspirate cells from the area. They can receive the diagnosis on the same day.
That patient is very anxious to know the results, and who is best to tell that patient the results? That the doctor who performed that aspiration, and he will feel more at ease of the results of his biopsy.
Following this procedure, patients will be provided with an initial diagnosis at the time of your appointment. What makes this unique is that the doctor performing the biopsy is the same doctor who will be diagnosing you. This is unlike the vast majority of biopsies done in the United States, where your physician is the one telling you the results around 1 to 2 weeks after a biopsy is performed.
They come very worried all the time. They always think that they have cancer. Any lump is a cancer. And I usually talk to them, try to relax them. And then when I do the procedure and tell them that I'm going to give them a preliminary diagnosis at the same time, that same day, they get very excited because they cannot wait. They say they cannot wait for diagnosis. I'm very happy when I'm able to come and tell them good news, that they don't have to worry. And you should see the face of those patients just crying because they're very happy, very happy.
The beauty of this fine needle aspiration biopsy clinic is that the patient leaves the office with a preliminary result. When you have a lump in any part of your body, you are desperate. You want to know the results yesterday. You don't want to wait a week, a month, not even an hour for the results. So when the pathologist talks to the patient with the results, you can see the expression of relief and decreasing anxiety on that patient. That is the important part of this clinic.
Since pathologists are the specialists in cancer diagnosis, it is advantageous to have the pathologist here at this clinic tell you your results at the time of your appointment. This practice eliminates that unnecessary anxiety patients must go through while waiting for a result.
I'm very happy when I'm able to come and tell them good news. And on the opposite, when they have cancer, that is very unfortunate. At least I can talk to them, tell them what kind of cancer they have. Sometimes there are cancers that can be cured, a long life. You know, they will not kill you immediately. So they leave, you know, they're worried, but they leave relief, that at least they know something about the sickness that they have.
I recently felt a lump on my neck. I immediately began to worry. Cancer comes to mind. You can't sleep at night. You're wondering, how is this going to affect my family? How is my life going to change? So I came to the clinic today, and they removed some cells from the mass. The biopsy itself was quick and painless, and instead of having to wait weeks for an answer, I got my results today. And very detailed answers from the pathologist herself. That was just wonderful. So now I can go home, hug my family, and sleep better at night.
After visiting Fine Needle Aspiration Clinic in Miami, Florida, we found the entire experience is focused on the patient. A compassionate staff, a state-of-the-art laboratory, well-trained experts with results that can be given to the patient in the same day is setting forward standards in medical care. Many conversations with doctors and staff gave us the conclusion that not only does the clinic provide accurate results, but follows the patients and gives them guidance on the next steps they should take.
Thank you for joining us. If you would like to find out more information on Fine Needle Aspiration Clinic, please visit www.fineneedleaspirationclinic.com. Until next time.